Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me, Mom. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I want to explain about four-stroke diesel engine. Number one, intake stroke. The intake valve is open, and as the piston travels downward, this system pulls the air or full mixture into cylinder. Compression stroke. Compression stroke. Both valves are now closed and the piston compresses the air. Full into a much smaller volume, preparing mixture into for ignition. For 3. Number power stroke. Power stroke. Both valves closed. In the spark plug located in the spacer between and the intake exhaust valve. Exhaust valve valve igniting or full mixture the featuring expand force piston run downward and rattles and the crankshaft. Number 4, exhaust stroke. The intake, the exhaust valve are new closed, is new open. Exhaust stroke valve is new open, allowing the piston to push the exhaust gas is of the engine of its races. Thank you for the attention. I hope you and sorry. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.